Alright, this is my QAV-R that has been stuck up in a 100-foot tree for the last 6 months. These motors used to be red. This brand new camera that was orange is now sun bleached. This battery is pretty much dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. After 6 months up in a tree, several thunderstorms, Hurricane IRMA, thank you, by the way, blew this out of the tree down at the farm. So here we go. Let's see if it works. Let me set my transmitter up to bind. RX bind. Oh, and yes, I'm going to use a smoke stopper. I may be stupid, but not totally stupid. So, here's a smoke stopper. Everybody should have one, by the way. Ready? Here we go. 6 months up in a tree, 100 foot up in a tree, went through several thunderstorms. Hurricane IRMA finally blew it down. Here we go. Oh my God. Look at that. It actually bound. The LEDs are on in the back. Let me throw my goggles on real quick. See if we have camera. Can't remember what frequency they were on. Smart search. Can't find a signal, so we may not have video transmitter, or the antenna may be gone, but it says E8. Oh my God, I'm actually getting a signal. There we go. I'm getting a signal. It's not the greatest signal. I wonder if it's in pit mode. .6 volts. QAV-R. Wow. 6 months in a tree. Alright, next step is, will it arm? Let's find out. This might not be the smartest thing in the world, but here we go. Okay, let's take this thing off. Yeah, look at this ratty thing. Let's take this off. That's the battery strap. That was the smoke stopper stopping it. Oh my God, it arms. Let me unplug this thing. Look at this. All the wires are bleached, sun bleached. So all the bolts are rusted. So I'm going to take it home. Frame's still good. Looks like some of the components are still good. We'll have a 6-inch next week to fly. Awesome. The quad gods are gracious sometimes. Here we go. Thank you.